Hello my friends, it's me, Patriot Prepper 1776, coming at you again. I was telling you there was going to be more videos posted on here. There's going to be more gear reviews and stuff like that. Today, I just got a purchase I bought on eBay. It is a, let's see here what it says, Leatherman Super Tool. This is a retired tool that I had. I had this tool in the 1990s when I was working construction, and I lost my tool in Hurricane Katrina, multi-tool. Lost it. Couldn't find it in the stores or anything anywhere else. I found it on eBay. It cost me $33.14 exactly, the shipping, handling, price of the tool, and everything. I got it today. A little bit about this tool is it's, as I said, it's a retired one. They don't make this one anymore. I've got a cheat sheet up here, so I'm going to be reading off of it. It's got the needle nose pliers, as you can see. It has, let me get it pulled out here. It has a 420 HC stainless steel clip point knife. I'm assuming HC is high carbon. This knife, I have used this knife on my other one that I lost so many times, it ain't even funny. It has a, close back up here, I don't pinch myself, you can laugh, pinch my belly. It has a 8-inch or 20-centimeter ruler right here. It has an awl. You know, you pull it out here and I'll show you. It has a awl, punching holes in leather and such. It has the other side. I should have had all this done, I know. See me. It has a can opener, bottle opener combination. It has hardwire cutters right here. Right in here. See it? There you go. I can see it. See right in here. Pivot point. It has a large screwdriver. Screwdrivers on here, medium screwdriver, needle nose pliers as I showed you, a Phillips screwdriver, regular pliers right here in the center. Ouch. Yeah, go ahead and laugh. So I know I would. It has regular pliers here in the middle. It has a small screwdriver. Over here, sorry. Around without cutting myself. These blades are sharp. That's a regular small screwdriver right there. Wire cutters. A metal file. And let me get all this closed up and I'll continue. Came with a leather sheath. I got on my hip right now. I'm not going to take it off. I'll put a picture somewhere in here. Show you. Probably up here in the corner somewhere. Right along me. Here. It's good. Comes with a 25-year warranty, which I'm not going to assume I'm going to get anyway. Leather sheath that I'm going to put the picture to. Stainless steel body. Stainless steel handle. The measurements on it are 2.9 inches. Blade length is 2.9 inches. It's got a serrated blade on here. I'll do it again. I don't know if I mentioned it or not. It's got a saw on here as well. Here's your serrated blade, and it is extremely sharp. saw for cutting like a small branch or something on them lines. The closed dimensions on it is 4 inches. It weighs 5 ounces or 142 grams. The blade length on here is 7.37 centimeters for those who are overseas in metric countries. Closed length is 10 centimeters. Yeah, you see right there. I don't know if you can see that on camera or not. Got the measurements on there. It's 10 centimeters. I had this tool when I was working construction. I paid, no lie, back in the 90s, I paid $125 for this tool because I bought it from what they called a country store where I worked construction. It was a company-owned store that you could go in and buy things and just sign your name to it. You didn't have to give them cash right then. They take it off the paycheck. This tool became so valuable to me that when I lost it in 2005, I was lost without it. Now I've got it, I'm not going to let it go again. This tool is so handy to have. I know some people are going to think, oh, that's just a gadget, that's just a gizmo. It's not. This tool is handy to have. It's a little heavy, on the heavy side for how bigger it is. It's heavier than my pocket knives I carry, but it's worth its weight. I plan on trying to get another one, not the same one, but a Leatherman EOD in black. That one has a lot more stuff on it. A lot more little blades and everything like that. When I paid $125 for this back in the 90s, it was well worth it. It was worth every penny. I would have gladly paid another $125 for this one, even though it's used. I would gladly pay that. It is worth the money. This tool has saved me so many times, I can't even count. When Katrina hit, I was working on a golf course as a groundskeeper, flight maintenance person. The guy I was working with didn't have a pocket knife on him. I had my Leatherman on me. He asked if I had a pocket knife. I said, yeah. I pulled my Leatherman out and handed it to him. He used it. He didn't want to give it back. I made him give it back. He didn't want to give it back to me because he was talking about how nice it was and handy it was to have all them tools in this one little package. This will be part of my EDC now. This is going to replace so much stuff for me. I got my pliers, I got my screwdriver, I got my leather awl, I got a can opener, which I haven't had, I got a bottle opener, which I didn't have, I got my file, which I didn't have, I got my knife, which I had, but I didn't have a serrated knife, I didn't have a tape measure or ruler in my EDC. And I know some of you are going to be like, well, what do you need a ruler for or a tape measure? You never know what you're going to have to craft, that you're going to have to measure. I'm going to hold it up here so you can see, hopefully, the markings on here, the measurements on the ruler. Give me a second here. And get my camera to focus. Metrics. I'll show the tools inside up a little closer for you. I can do it without cutting the snot out of myself because these, like I said, these blades are really sharp. And they do lock when you open them. Like the knife, it will lock when I open it. Here's your file, your large screwdriver, your smaller screwdriver. That, which I believe that's the awl. I'm not quite positive. And then you got your serrated blade here, your can opener, bottle opener combination, your Phillips screwdriver, camera focus. I believe this will be your, might be your small screwdriver. This one over here be your medium. And then you got your file, and then you got your cutters there in the middle, your pliers, your regular pliers, your needle nose pliers. Now I'll show you how these blades work. These, like I said, these blades are wicked sharp. It was used, but it is in new condition. You could use it as a knife, like that. And you can see back here, these catch. It's got like a catch in it. To close it, watch, pushes that piece back. There you can see it pushed. Pushes it open, releases the blade. It does that with all the tools on here. And if I wanted to say, I wanted to use the files, it catches right in there. You file with it. The other side is the same exact way. Get that up there. Watch close. You can see closed. The other side works the same way. Pushes that open. That over. Down. Works the same way. That little saw and little teeth there, them little teeth will chew through some wood big time. I'll show you the information on here. There we go. It's just Leatherman Super Tool. It's not a name. Don't have a name to it or anything. It's just Super Tool. So I don't know if this is one of their original designs. If I get my camera to focus. 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 Focus camera. I guess it ain't going to. But anyway, this tool is very, very handy. This will become part of my EDC that I'm going to carry every day with me. Any questions, comments? Feel free to message me or post them down below in the comment section. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed, I will be doing a lot more videos. I have been slacking off because of not being employed. I'm sorry about that. It's kind of hard to do anything when you don't have a job, you don't have an income really. You're trying to live off of what you have saved. But I am now working a full-time job as a manager at a gas station, which is less than 3 blocks from my house. So there's going to be a lot more reviews coming. Reviews I have planned and how-to videos. I plan on making a pump drill for making fire. Watch for that video. I plan on having a review on a fire piston. I'm not sure if I'm going to try to make it myself or if I'm just going to go ahead and buy one pre-made rather than going out and buying all the material and having enough material to make 50 of them. I don't need 50 of them. I'm going to be doing reviews on dehydrator that I'm going to get. I'm going to be doing a review on a canner that I am buying. I am going to be doing a review on a vacuum sealer food saver system that I'm buying. When I get the vacuum sealer, when I get the vacuum sealer, I'm going to be showing how to make your own MREs from cheap items that you will eat. I am personally a picky eater. I do not like a lot of the foods that come in the pre-packaged MREs, and I would not eat them. I'm sure if I got hungry enough, I probably would, but I'm not going to buy them and pay more money for the MRE than what I could do them myself for. Canning, I'm going to do canning videos on canning food, canning meats and vegetables and everything like that. The dehydrator, I'm going to show making my own beef jerky. I love making beef jerky. I'll show how to dehydrate food, everything. I'll do videos on that. The fire piston, I'll do a review on it. I'm going to show how it works and explain how it works. It's very simple and very easy to understand. The pump drill, I'm going to be showing how I make that, because I'm going to make it myself. And I'm going to explain all of the items I use and how it works, and show how I made it, and I'll actually show it working. I'm working on getting another firearm. I'm wanting to get a 45 ACP. I'm kind of torn between a SIG P250 and a 1911. I kind of like the way the 1911s look. They just look nasty, cool, wicked. If I get the 1911, I want 5-inch. I want full size. It's not going to be for concealed carry, it's going to be for open carry. I'm kind of torn between them two. I'm trying to decide. I'm also going to be either getting an AK-47 or a AR-15. If I get the AR-15, it's going to be in 5.56 NATO. The AK-47, as you gun people know, is 7.62 by 39. I'm trying to decide, because I've never owned a rifle or a long gun before, so I'm trying to decide which one would be best for me, seeing as how I don't have experience with them and everything. There's going to be a lot of things coming. It's going to be, worked late last night. There's going to be a lot of things coming, a lot of gear reviews, a lot of products that I've bought. Anything I have that I bought, that I have here that I'm doing reviews on, are all things I have personally bought and paid for. I don't have sponsors, I don't have anything like that. Nobody gives me gear to product review. I buy it myself. Any review I give is totally unbiased. If it's garbage, I'll say it's garbage. If it's good, I'll say it's good. I'm not bought and paid for by anybody. I spend my money on this stuff. Anyway, this video has ran on long enough. I know you guys are tired of looking at me. You're probably about ready to fall asleep. And anyway, this is Patriot Prepper reminding you, don't tread on me, and I won't tread on you. You have a good day.